Okay, so this is going to be the calculator tutorial for how to do this problem, number 3 from section 2.3 in your course pack, on a calculator. So we have a restriction here on the domain, and that's like the main thing that I want to show you how to get the graph of just this. So let me move my calculator over here. So calculator on, in your y equals, you're going to plot just your standard parabola. So f of x equals x squared. And then in order to get this restriction on here, you're going to hit second, and then you're going to hit test. So it's above the math key. And, oh, oops, I think I missed something. Let me hit out clear. So we want x. So put in your variable in parentheses right after that, and then hit your second math. And then we want x to be less than or equal to -2. So we'll put that in first. Less than or equal to -2. Close your parentheses, open another parentheses, put in your variable key, and then hit second math again. And then we're going to want to do, I think I did the wrong, no, oh, come back. So we can just hit 6 even here. We don't have to scroll down, but scroll down to that one. Nope, I did the right sign. And then close our parenthesis. Oh, put in our 5 and close our parenthesis again, and then hit graph on it. What did I do wrong? Ooh. Okay, this is tricky. You gotta flip this inequality sign here, because this is -2 is less than or equal to. So let me go to this point, hit second math, flip the inequality sign, and now we should be good. Let's try that again. Graph. There we go. That's what we wanted to get. And then you can get your domain and your range from the graph. So our domain, our input value, is this restriction right here. And then our range, basically we want to see how high up this goes. So right now it just looks like it's continuing up. Let's adjust our window so we can see if it goes up to infinity or not. Let's just go up to, like, I don't know, 50. Pick a nice big number. Oh, we've got it. We've got an endpoint here. So let's hit the trace, and we're just going to follow that graph up. Oops. So now we're off the graph. Let's go back. So it looks like it's at 23, but let's see if we can't. So now we're at 5.1. So let's go back and hit trace and then hit 5, and let's just see if there's a value at 5. And we see that there is. That is our maximum value. That's 25. So our range is going to be our set of y values. So it's from 0 all the way up until 25 on the axis. So hopefully that helps you figure out how to put this notation in, and make sure that when you're doing this, you need to flip your inequality signs around sometimes. So make sure that you always read it, from x is less than or equal to, or x is greater than or equal to, so that you make sure that you get those signs in there correctly. Hopefully this makes sense. Leave me a comment if you've got any questions.